Could you wake up, please? One important message is there. It's a good news. We both have to be happy, so they are coming here. We should be here itself. We need to wait for them. They are coming for us. Okay, I'm going.
Who is thinking about you now? Hey, Malini. She has some problem in her throat.
Yeah, I'm coming, Mom. Have it, Mom. Oh dear. Here, have this water first. Shall I hit on head? Oops, I forgot the dosa on the tawa.
Who is that? At that time thinking about you this much?
Shut up.
Malini?
Yes?
Did you give medicine to father?
I didn't forget, sister. After the breakfast, I'll give.
Oh, Meenu also having from here?
Today in her home khichdi. Actually, she don't like that.
So only I directly came here to eat.
Oops, really, I can't bear all these things. See how they poured hot rice bowl on me. Really hurts. We have to tie Subhatra, otherwise we can't handle her.
It's all our fate. Bama, you go there and see.
Do you have any problem with that I'm alive? There is no necessity to check that she had or not. Don't talk too much with her, okay? You know her character very much, right? All are very scared to hear her name. All says just like a moron.
I arranged her mother's marriage. She couldn't be there. She fought with them and came back here. In order to settle her problem, the people here talked to her and advised her many days and nights. But it was of no use. She never agreed. But for some days, her husband was going and coming. When the mother and daughter stayed in a house, people started to talk that and this. That is how Subhadra's matters have become worse like this. But for that, we should not talk like that. If I ever come to know that you have gone there, I will screw your ears. To whom I am telling all this? Okay. Your brother is not to be seen for the last 2 days.
Hari bro is nowadays busy, grandma. Now he is practicing swimming with his friends, grandma.
Hari brother! Hey! Hari brother! Hey!
Hey Krishna, your son has completed his studies, right?
Yes, yes.
Then why don't you send him to Chennai and get a job for him? He already knows how to compose and sing songs and also write
what
lyrics.
are you doing?
Once or twice he has gone to some foreign countries with some talented groups. Oh, now he wants to sing in films. He wants to become a big singer, that's all. He's refusing for this RLV's temporary post, you know. He'll be successful. You don't worry. Come on, hurry up, Hari.
I will come, Dad. Tha, 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 dit, tha, 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 dit, tha, 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 dit, tha, tha, hey, why are you not understanding? How many times I have taught you? You are not listening at all. Your age is also growing up. But with a little concentration, you can learn this now. Don't smile. I'm not doing any comedy show here. You people are new generation. When I am in my studies, my teacher, what he taught, I have learned. After lots of listening, after lots of practice, I have learned this Kathakali. But you people are new generation, so what can I say for you? Anytime listening phone and WhatsApps, you can go. Go. Hey, listen to me, Manikanda. Tomorrow I need some betel leaves. So when you are coming to class by tomorrow, you are bringing it from your home, okay? I'll bring, Master.
Now you can go.
Oh, is everything all right? Huh? Okay.
What happened?
What to do? Even in that soldier Naya's house, there is big queue. It seems even from the first we have to go dry. Oh, Gandhiji. These people are giving a holiday, isn't it? Can we give a case against them for that?
We never want to believe on a military man. If anybody given him extra money, he will be on there. Oh, now what can we do?
That location, Mr. Ramana knows about it.
Huh.
He surely knows a few people out here, right? But he's very strict about money matters. huh?
yeah, right.
See, he's calm. You have a
Yes,
long
good.
life, huh?
I have gone from track to the forest everywhere to look for those foreigners, but I could not find them anywhere. And finally, I had come to know that people in our state are much better than them. And I did not think after that, so I decided immediately.
You didn't buy it, huh?
What do we do now?
I got it here, man.
What happened?
I promised to her. I have told already to Molani. But you don't worry. We will go outside and we will have some drinks.
The temples without earnings will not get a priest so easily. I'm not planning anything big, but at least we should do something. So raise at least 300 rupees from this month.
Yes. The elder son is now studying the 10th, right? The income is not increasing according to the expenses. That is what they are saying.
As soon as the Mayur festival got over, he had a big fight with the townspeople. He quit the priest job and joined a rice mill. To join a government job, he had pledged every bit of gold in his house. And the guy who promised cheated him and left. That is when we got introduced. That is when he said, "Let me live with whatever earnings I get from this temple." He didn't ask me anything. He's so innocent.
Okay, the polish all has been done. The winner is ready. Tomorrow we'll put the strings and check the scale.
Do as you say.
Sir,
Come. Will you be able to release your spiritual song before the festival?
definitely, sir. We people want you to release that CD, and we are very eager, sir. Just to inform.
Your word is enough. Also, ask your colleagues to come and meet us.
I'll say, sir.
Here.
Dad,
This is for travel expense.
thank you. I'll leave.
Everything will be all right.
Dad,
Okay, I'll take leave now.
Okay. Madhuri, it's been years since I met you. Where is Appu?
We didn't get chance to come together. At least one person have to stay there. He's having a conference with the Singapore minister.
Okay, come. Bhargavi, look who has come.
Oh, it's been many years didn't see you, Madhuri.
Hi, how are you?
Where is Appu? Do you came alone?
Yes.
Last time when I saw you, it was Sharda's daughter's marriage.
Yeah.
4 or 5 years have gone now.
Madhuri, what do you want to drink? I want buttermilk. Okay. Tell me, where is Leela Krishnan? And what about Rahul? Is he at home? Actually, he was in Kalari. Actually, I called Balu brother. Actually, the true reason why I came here is because of Mano. He has a message for you. After sudden death of Giri, I struggle a lot to handle the business. It's really hard to handle over there. I can't do alone over there. After Mano's studies, he started learning the business. It took too much time to take over the business. Now it's time to find a nice bride to him. She must be very good in taking care of my son and my home. Maithili, my son loves her a lot.
That's right. They played together and grown here only, no?
When she came to know this, she'll be very happy.
Actually, sister's daughter. She's a lovely daughter for all of us. We always take care of her.
Yeah, very true.
Even after becoming an adult, my child is still being naughty. It is not the job or the resignation. Only art, and that is my life, is what he kept on saying. In our eyes, she is still a child, you know. What she decides is important. Her decision is our answer.
Since I was here, I didn't see her. Where is she?
She is busy with some channel program of Kalamandalam.
How is my composing? Publication document are just doing the documentary for Kalamandala University. Actually, they are telecasting in national channel.
Good. Very nice. Just to see this beautiful face, I came here. Okay, I'll leave. It's already late. That music director wants me to be on time. Okay, bye.
Once, when I had been to Bombay, Balamurali Krishna says Kacheri was happening. I desperately wanted to attend it. One of my friends who was there gave me a ticket. When you listen to that divine voice and song, you automatically become happy inside. He binds the Rasikas with his voice, you know. Let me tell you, nothing else has soothing power as good as the music has, you know. That is why God has given that talent only to a few.
There are different types of music in this world, but listening to the North and South Indian music is absolutely unique.
Absolutely. All over northern India, people like Hindustani music. It is their kind of music. But in South, it is Carnatic music is synonymous with Bhakti.
These are the mangoes children pluck from our garden. I use some for making curry. See, that doesn't come out.
Come. Hey, who is it?
Yesterday I told you, no? Please change the oil in this. Why didn't you?
Hey, what happened?
What happened? Just smelling. Today I want to face my wife. I don't
Come,
know
let's go fast.
how will
He's
she
drunk.
beat me. Oh my God.
Kokila. You are coming during night. Why don't you hold a torch at least?
While speaking with him, I just forgot it.
Oh my God, it's all my fate.
What is this?
Buttermilk is good for the drunken fellow. If you have this, then only you can have the food nicely.
Hey, when I applied some powder and I acted before the public, the people will appreciate me. My country feels so proud about me. But you are looking me like a little ant, huh? Give me some rice.
Listen me first. all are blaming at me that you are having alcohol even in the dance class that I very well know. Kathakali is a very traditional dance, you very well know. The person who is teaching that dance must be very clean and disciplined.
What happened? This is a small problem. Listen to me. A good artist will definitely drink. If he didn't drink, he is not a good artist. Non-drinkers must want to pay a lot of tax.
I really pray the God the government should put the fine for the drunken fellow.
Comedy.
Some time back, my sister has told me about this. Till date, I have not told you about that matter. And now, if they are actually serious about it, then we can take it forward. What do you say, Dad?
My dear granddaughter should decide on this.
Grandma.
When the alliance getting hot, all girls will do some tricks. Tell me, do you have anything like that? You can tell that, okay?
No.
Nothing like that. I know very well that in your childhood you ran behind him very well.
You know Manu very well. Only if you like this proposal, we will say yes to them. There will be a lot of adjustments to be made between you both. But the decision is yours.
Grandfather, now I don't want marriage.
There is no rush. You think and tell us, okay? We'll all wait for your decision. What, am I right?
Yes, Dad. Hello? Yeah. I'll tell you. The big boss' elder daughter, Miss Arundhati Devi. During earlier times, she went to Shantiniketan in Calcutta to do her studies. When her family knew that she became a Naxalite, then they immediately called her back. After that, they immediately fixed her marriage. At that time, a Bengali man reached their house. And he is the father of Matli. When the boss got to know that Arundhati was pregnant, then he got her married to him. After a few years, when she came back with a child, then she never went back to Calcutta. After that, nothing was known about that Bengali person. To give news of the death of Miss Arundhati, nobody even didn't have the address of the Bengali person.
How did he died?
Suicide. Our boss was very worried that this state of affairs should not come to Maithili again. And when a good alliance came, then his eyes was filled with tears. There's this guy in Singapore who's a very big shot, only son of his dad. He's absolutely fit for Maithili. Now everybody in this village are very happy. Hey, where are you going?
I'll come, Dad.
Just listen to her.
Are you in dream with the Singapore husband?
After your marriage, I think next vacation I will be there. Inform to Manoj brother. I want to round the Singapore. Leban Park, underwater game, casinos, etc. etc.
What, everything is over? Can you come close?
Where?
You both are doing too much, Ashwini. Just leave it, no? Just wait.
Leave it. Leave us.
You just go from this place and go to some other place and dream there, okay?
You should have cleaned this garbage long back.
Yes.
Look, there too.
I'll do the needful tomorrow.
Is that our Raghuram?
Yeah, he's the person.
What happened? Once again, have you started drinking?
No, sir. After finishing the Matapati temple function, me and the mustache-man came here. We thought of seeing the Abhishekam here, but we slept nicely.
How much ever late, there is always a place for you at home, you know that. The townsfolk will gossip. Worship and come to home, okay? We can have food there.
Okay, sir.
The elephant which won the title of Gajagesari was bought by my father. When my father asked him to come home, this guy's father had come home and started working, you know.
Is it?
His father was always telling us that this guy is becoming a scoundrel, not going to school, becoming a rogue and whatnot. But this guy brilliantly learned Kathakali.
Oh, is it?
And he's very knowledgeable about the temple issues. But he could not grow high. Sad.
Hari? What happened to you? Why you are not coming to my home?
I'm waiting here for a long time to see you. One sec. Do you want to marry that
Why
guy?
you are talking like this? They are such a big level, so my father like him a lot. I don't know what to do. They are not even asking my opinion.
No one needs to know what you like. You just hide the thing and wait for it. On an auspicious day, I'll marry you. Definitely.
What you are saying? We need to run away?
I didn't say like that, my dear. Those birds, these plants, that sky, this land, this beautiful nature will help me to marry you.
Okay. Do you know, in the deep forest and the mountains, the gypsy who brought us the chameleon skin have been detained by the forest officials. They bet him blue and black and threw him behind the bars. And now if we need some good skin, we'll have to look for somebody else.
The forest officers tend to their needs from these kind of people. If they don't get a case, then they book these people.
Right, you're right.
I think some people from those department would have trapped
Okay,
him.
I'll take care.
Poor man. We'll do something.
Yeah, I'll take care of that.
Hello, sir.
Be seated. You see, everything should be perfect. The royal family is invited. In their house, someone had learnt Veena traditionally. Won their inauguration ceremony in their family temple.
Order of making Veena for palace has been completed. We'll start from tomorrow.
That's good news. I forgot to mention something. There is going to be a debate on Swari Tirunal Kritis. In the royal house, BBC is going to conduct. They wanted me to join that program, you know, they requested, so I said okay. I have no desire of going there, but there is nothing wrong in going there.
That's a blessing.
Saraswati Vidhi Yuvati Saraswati Vidhi Yuvati Samrakshatu Mam Shri Saraswati Vidhi Yuvati Samrakshatu Mam Shri Saraswati विधि युवती
The children want to conduct a art program, and that is why I called you here. Are you occupied now?
No, sir.
Like all these years, we should succeed. All the maestro's disciples will come there. But we should not interfere in any problem, okay? Our program must be different from the others. If you have a novel idea, please present it to us now.
Dad, Judge's lobby has the strong ruling party's support. So definitely there must be appeal and arguments.
All that will happen.
For our Shankaran Nambiar's daughter's debut dance program, people who came from Guruvayur for makeup were excellent. Just ask our Kshemavati teacher. She will give their number to
Yeah,
you.
that's true.
Yes, I know. From
whatever story is there, we have to perform perfectly. Actually, we all have to concentrate on rhythm. If you are
Hey,
dancing
he's
like
coming.
that, then only the audience
Yeah,
are
he's
appreciate
coming,
us.
yeah.
Okay, practice well. Everyone doing their best. Actually, they will give their best performance. Definitely, we are going to win and get the prize.
Lyrics has been completed, but we have to choose the raga which is suitable.
Okay, let's try. Today, this is enough.
Let's go. Yeah. Bro, hurry.
Yeah.
I want to tell you something.
What?
This time, please go to your beautiful studio and record the song. Otherwise, it will be totally waste. Just listen to me and do as I say. Everything want to be live. Then we will get a punch, huh?
If there is excess of punches, your body will be punctured.
Oh, yeah. Come. Let's go.
Wow, this pic is wonderful. I like it very much. It's good. Hey, what's this, man?
Love you, dear. Love you so much.
Hey, don't you know he is my uncle's son? He is going to kill you.
Come on, he's in deep love with Meenachi.
Get lost. They both are good friends. You too, my friend. Do you know that we need to fly like a butterfly? That is friendship, actually. Unconditional love.
Oh, it's like ex-bag attitude, right?
See, brother, I need to know one thing. You gotta say the truth only, okay? Add some water, bro.
For that bag, we don't want water. Now you can ask.
Tell me frankly, who is this Subhadra?
Don't worry, I will answer you exactly. Brisbane's Katie, Auckland's Odyssey, and like German gents, these people have very good heart.
You shouldn't criticize like this, bro. If a girl is beautiful, people will come in search of her.
Before some time, there's a man called Pavi. I will marry you, that she told. And then she ran away with him, exactly before her marriage day. After happening everything, she came back, but nobody accepted her. Everybody sent her. For today itself, she is waiting for someone. I think like that. You see, my time was over. If I didn't go to home, they will lock the door. Please have it. Maria, oh my dear.
കണ്ടില്ലയോ മാലിനി നീ എന്നെ കണ്ടില്ലയോ ബാലേ നീ എന്നെ കണ്ടില്ലയോ ബാലേ.
Do you have anything to dance and enjoy in front of my light? Tell me, Raghuram.
Even if I'm trying for the second time, for this kind of a dance, the Kichaka dress is always suitable.
Harinakshi Jana Mauli Mane Ne Harinakshi Jana Mauli Mane Ne Yenarigil Variga Malini Yenarigil Variga Malini Yenarigil Variga Malini Yenarigil Variga Malini Yenarigil Variga Malini. തരുടേ നിന്നോടയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസം തരുണി നിന്നോടയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസ തരുണി നിന്നോടയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസം തരുണി നിന്നൂടയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസ തരുണി.
Meenakshi, I'm also coming, yeah? Yeah.
I feel fear. Father will wake up.
You just fear only for our dad.
Shoo.
But I was feared with snakes and dogs, huh? I came here to see you.
Okay, I'll give kiss immediately.
Hey, I have came here to just have a kiss with you.
I'll
don't
show
want
the rest in the WhatsApp.
I have already seen it in WhatsApp, yeah. I want to see it in live.
Choo.
I think the dog was released by your dad.
Go,
Bye,
go,
bye,
go,
bye.
You have prayed with your heart and soul with God, right?
Yeah.
You're going to celebrate your grandfather's birthday in a very grand way, I heard.
Yes. Actually, my uncles are planning to celebrate this as a festival.
Yes, you have to do it. During those times, the functions which were done in your house, those were celebrated like big temple festivals. We have to do it the same way. Everything will be fine. Narayan.
Actually, my husband is not like this before. Then, once he visited my house to teach me Kathak, drama, music, he told that he loves me. Those days are really very romantic. But now he badly become a drunken fellow.
Malu,
What
Malu,
happened?
Did you wash my?
Oh, God.
Did you wash all of my
What
clothes?
happened, my dear?
Oh my God! What can I do now? What I want to do? Oh my God! Listen to me. I have told you already that you want to check the packets and you want to wash it.
Okay, how much rupees you kept?
I think it will be around 500.
Is it 500 exactly?
But there will be some change also.
Okay. Check this. Is this yours?
Yes, this is it. This is it. See, I want to go to school, no? Just give it to me. Give it to me.
You didn't give the money which you sold the coconuts. So I taken this.
Oh, if you do like this, you see, I will cry always.
Now you no need to go anywhere. You just go to the Kala Mandir. Here, have it.
So nice of you, darling.
Actually, listen to me. All the guys are really liars. He is cheating you very nicely. Even this 500 is also mine, which I sold my bananas. If he needs money means he will lie like this only. I will give my money to him. Pity husband, really he is.
Tana, tana, na, 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 na.
Happy, you make me happy.
Tana, tana, na, 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 na. Happy, you made me happy. That's it. It was nice. This music makes me to feel me like a poet. Either love or poem. When the love ends between you and me, then there ends the poem of this poet.
Stupid and idiots. They have created Subhadra with the new story and they are enjoying it. And still, these people are not at all ashamed of it. If she gets married, everything will be resolved, but no one will keep their mouth shut. Huh? You please don't worry. While on the way, I heard some people talking about it.
Shit. People in this village has no sense. They are unnecessarily commenting and spreading the fake news about the lady. They never feel guilt about it.
Past few days I'm just thinking I want to meet her and just talk with her. Shall we go there?
We'll go.
I don't have any nice memories to share, you guys. I don't get chance when my mom's last days. My husband will be there for me till my end of the day. He also left. That's also a curse. I think I may bored you with my old nasty story.
Not at all. Subhadra sister's life is a lesson, right?
If you're not inviting our grandfather's 60th anniversary means, do you feel for that, right?
I don't have any guilt which I have done. My all the relatives and left me and gone. I never gone to anyone's house and I never begged anything from them. Respected Elder Uncle's mercy, who lived very much happily. Convey my wishes also to them.
The maximum point gained by Rahul Leela Krishna and KR Meenakshi. They are the winner of these competitions.
All come inside. I will have something.
Veena brother,
We will have a peck. Yeah, come on.
Unwashable ornaments and dance costumes you can store in the wooden box. It will long last. It'll look fresh till next year.
From now, I'm going to stop this, Mom. I don't want to wear this anklet. I'm going to concentrate on studies.
I think you have frustration. You did not become a winner.
Nothing like that, Mom. At the time of practicing, as well as dancing in a group, I have some doubt, but it got cleared now. Mom, shall I tell now?
Tell me, dear.
Meenakshi and Rahul have some relationship, Mom.
Are you sure? They are good friends. Like you and Vishal. Don't be silly, darling. Your and Rahul's engagement also done. The wedding dates are very close. Now we are in a confusion. Darling, go and eat something. Go.
Hello everyone, this is Amanur Palace, a great musician of South India, Mr. Anant Narayan. Today is his birthday. We have come here to see his disciples today. We have come here to meet those people who have won the local music competition. Alright, let's meet them. Camera. During the last 3 years, you have won all the competitions continuously. Rahul and Meenakshi. You all have put in a lot of effort, and this year also you have won it. Please say something about it.
Really, we won the cup, but lot of hard work is there. Lots of people. Can we call all of them with us?
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
This is Hari, my brother. Now he is studying in college. Maithili, our sister. Both of them only trained us to win this cup.
You have done a graduation in Kalamandalam, is it?
Yes.
Teachers like you, what do you have to say about these disciples?
It's all because of their hard work and they got victory.
That is true, actually. Our family loves art culture. My uncle, auntie, grandfather, they only trained a lot. We are just supporting them. To be frank, we are very happy for this moment.
Then call everyone.
Yeah.
Grandpa,
Come.
You please come stand together.
Grandfather,
Please come.
grandma.
Yeah, correct. That's why you have to go. Yeah, please stand together. Come on. Yeah, that's right.
Anjali, please stop. Hey, I'm seeing for the last 2 days. What happened to you? Frustrated?
No, never. Whatever we say, people will go with winners only.
Oh, I think grudge is your main problem.
Get lost. Hey!
Come on, baby. I'm there for you.
You two will leave me, right?
If the fruits doesn't get ripen, you should test the soil and make it fertile.
Okay, sir.
Go.
Grandpa.
You look like a solid man. Come in.
Grandma.
Dear son.
Come on. Please come. Come.
Though know this is not a matchmaking ceremony, but he has come here to specifically meet you, to know your intent.
Now, if you want to tell it secretly, you can go to the next room.
You got a starting trouble, it seems. I told my mother that you all can decide and then let me know about it. You just have changed a little bit from earlier times. Apart from that, there are no changes at all. Why are you so silent? Hey, are you in love with somebody, huh? Tell me.
I need to complete my studies. In our current generation, only 1 degree is not enough.
That can always happen. Oh, I was a little scared, you know. The rest of the matters, we'll leave it to the elders. You know what? I don't want to scare them. Shall I go?
It has been decided by them. And I also think they were right. A rich man like Mano, who has come all the way to see you. And of course, your family members like him.
They only happy. Actually, I am not happy. Because of their happiness, I'm making me as happy. Actually, we don't have rights to take our own decision, right?
I don't hesitate to tell in front of all your family members that I like you. But the case is I'm a jobless guy, not a rich man like Mano. We people depend on your family for our livelihood. I'm nothing in front of them.
Will you please shut up? In the world, all the lovers are became a rich person and marrying their lover? Tell me that.
Hurry!
Uncle, please stop.
You go. I said go away. What are you doing, huh? Do you exactly know what you're doing, huh? You're spitting on the same plate which you're supposed to use, huh? Just see what I do to you today. When my life was in doldrums and I was in very bad shape, then those people saved me. You have to actually worship them like a god. If you are going to break trust like this, then God will never ever forgive you.
Dad,
I have a small request to my son. I don't want to see those days. Don't leave me alive. Can you please kill me?
Five flower necklace, 10 sparkling necklace, 10 snake design necklace. This is mango necklace. Then a lot of finger rings. One Vani grandma who was living at that time brought some gold smiths from Madurai to this palace and they made these jewels. My dear child, you should wear all these jewels and sit in the marriage ceremony like a queen.
Yes, you're right.
Nowadays, kids don't like this antique metals, ornaments, designs and all, Mom.
Including Mangal Sutra, all the jewels must be best for my pretty girl. She must be an angel that I have to see it.
After finishing his MBA in the USA, hand him over all the responsibility of the job. That's why he's decided to come and stay here for the next 3 months so that he can do the job.
In the meanwhile, we should fix up a date for the marriage. What happened to you? Why are you looking so sad and dull? Whatever is troubling your mind, please tell us. The marriage is nearing.
No, Grandpa. I don't want to go anywhere.
Good. Let me tell you something. Your mother, my daughter Arundhati, when she was your age, she decided to go on her own path and that destroyed her, and I don't want that to happen in your life. In a woman's life, after her puberty, she has a lot of ideas and dreams, and you know what happens? She has to share her life with someone else. Now your life has also come to that stage. I am just left this one and only duty. Think well. Think about it deeply.
Simply don't shed the tears. It will not help you. You should not cry in front of me. When you love a girl truly, you did not need any of others' help to live with her very happily. This is not good for a guy.
I got a job offer from my friend circle. Once I got placed there, then I'll take her to my place.
You must understand this is not the easiest game. The problems will definitely start when you think living together.
We need to live together. Now I decided that only.
When I take a decision, because of that I spoiled my life. Always you'll get a small place in Subhadra Auntie's home. You guys are most welcome.
Acres of coconut groves, and being a VIP, he had concubines all over town. But when he became very ill, not a single soul was ready to help him. After that, nobody was able to see him in this town.
To see you in this situation, we feel very sad.
Listen, first get up. Manu brother is not unknown person, right? Then why you are feeling a lot? Whenever you want, you can go there and come here, right?
Ammu?
Yes, coming, mom. Wait here, I'll come.
Can I ask you something? I know that both of you are loving each other. But you have to forget him, right?
I want to forget. No way. I have to be with Hari only.
Are you going? Online time?
9:30. I'll give Mr. Gold.
Wait, I say.
Hey,
Hey. It's okay.
Stop there. Hereafter, don't come to the house anymore. When my daughter told me this, I didn't believe. Get out from here.
We are taking leave.
Meenakshi, please don't cry. Please stay calm, I say.
she said you should not enter into that house. I don't have anybody. Now you're satisfied, right?
I'm not able to control myself. I just didn't expect that my aunt will come on that time. Hey, just listen to me. They can just ask me to get out from that home. But nobody can take you out from my heart. You are only the person inside of my heart, okay?
What's the matter?
I'm the president of the Puram committee, Avinashi. The festival is nearing. We have come here to fix up the new dates.
Then Krishnan...
He is not keeping well. He said he'll not be able to come to the temple. He was always the first one in these matters. Don't know what happened.
Nothing should be given up. Everything must be performed. I'll be
Okay.
there.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Krishna, did you send 4 towels to Mandanur?
Yeah, I have sent it. In fact, I have sent it yesterday.
Krishna, come with me. Let's take a walk. Meenakshi is not coming home for some time now. When I asked Bhagirathi, she did not give me a right reason. She just said she would be angry. She says Rahul and Meenakshi has something in between them. When children behave with each other, they would be like this, you know. We should not magnify such things. Ask Meenakshi to come to my house. Bama could have misunderstood and told her something.
Meenakshi! What is your relation with the boss son? Tell me. Don't you hear me? Tell me! You have put me to shame. You scoundrel. Come! Come with me.
What? What happened?
You ask yourself about your daughter's love affair. And that too with the boss son. I'll kill you here itself. Why do you go to that house 40 times a day? Now the villagers have got to know about this. Now if you go to that house once again, those people will literally drive you out of there. Oh, you have broken my trust.
If you want to kill me, then do it. But that much big sin, I didn't do it. We and Rahul are loving each other. Only my love is problem. If anyone do it, doesn't it matter? Haryana and Maithili also loving each other. There is no problem with you, right?
Listen. Since both my children have grown up, yeah? Till now, whatever we have been eating, wearing, and where we have been staying, you need to know all these things are given by whom? It's only because of the boss today I am alive. I not only have love towards him, I have faith in him. Before both of you together put me into shame in this village, I have to leave this place. We are going back to our village. Now get ready.
Just don't think about anything, huh? Everything has been finished. They asked me a lot, but I never answered them. I'm not able to digest while they scolding you.
Everyone scold me. Everyone hate me. But I have a request with me. Some boys are used to play with love. If you are also like that, then I won't be here.
Meenakshi, why are you talking like this? Then this meeting will be meaningless, huh? See, I have decided that what to do.
I'm planning to meet you both actually. Me only informed about your relationship to my mom. Whenever we all together, we'll be happily enjoying our friendship. Rahul, our families are decided we both have to get married. Don't bring her to that place.
See, don't mistake me. If there is a marriage in my life, then she will be my wife. I just seen you like my sister. I cannot see you in another dimension.
Just stop. Don't say anything to me.
Listen.
Why? What is this new habit? This is always your responsibility.
When new things come to practice, then we have to accommodate and change practices. I have to go back to my village. You are the one who got me here. If we are alive as a family today, that is only because of you, sir. To give back, I just have devotion in my mind for you, sir.
Krishna, whatever we get to eat is not actually sown by us. Just think about it.
To understand good people, no one has the time in this world. This is because they never try to understand life itself. The trust and devotion which I have towards my boss. When I came to know that my children will not be able to abide by that, then I took the decision to go back to my village. I'm going, sir.
First of all, understand this. Krishna is not my servant. In my heart, I believe that he is my brother and I behave like that. Because of Meena's and Rahul's activities, he is very sad right now, do you know? But how can we blame him?
They both have grown together. That is the problem. We cannot blame them.
If my son marry, it will be only Anjali. If a loud servant, it is not good for our family, that I will educate him, no. They are just servants of our family. They are not equal to us. And they are really ready to go. Then why we want to stop them?
Grandpa, They both are loving each other. But still, we should not punish their family. Just leave this.
Dear, we didn't tell them to go from here at all. Kunyunni uncle only told his decision to our dad.
Please don't give trouble to that family. You first understand one thing. Long years ago, one person proposed for a marriage. Like that, if Hari asked, from that time, they will end the life. His father was saying like this to Hari. We both should not marry each other. If we got married, definitely Hari father will get suicide.
So that's the problem. I was suspicious that something wrong is happening over there. If you really have grown something of this thought like this into your brain, throw it out this moment itself. You will get married to Manohar and that is my decision. That is final.
I could not say my opinion because I don't have father and mother, right?
The mistakes done by my children. Please forgive them, sir. Forgive them, sir.
Look, can you understand the amount of blunder mistake these children have done? Only to become rich for the rest of his life, your son has played with the sentiments of my daughter.
You people want to be very faithful to us only. The love between you and our family's daughter has been finished.
Before you, our Manu was always along with her. You know that? What you did to our daughter, we are also ready to forget that. But you just get lost from here.
What do you say?
Sir, it was me. From my childhood, I liked her. I love your granddaughter.
Shut your mouth. I should not see you anywhere in this area after this. And you too try to forget everything after this.
I'll take care. He will never set foot in your house. I'll take care.
Krishna. Bala, I don't want her to cry for her life and make her weep, you know. Everybody should understand. To destroy is easy. Your lifetime won't be enough to build something. Maithili belongs to Hari.
Daddy?
After life and death, my soul is searching for Punarjani Riverside. I'm begging your life without anyone's curse. The woman's life between curse and happiness. without knowing anything. My soul is surrounding here. You must fulfill my needness. For a long time, I was waiting for this moment. You know very well.
Subhadra. Subhadra?
Who's that?
It's me, Raghuraman.
What do you want?
Subhadra, to see you, I just can't wait till tonight, and that's what I just came here.
There is no benefit. You came with the old memories. Just leave from here, Raghurama. You know what? I just loved your flaunts, not you.
Please don't talk like this to me, Without you, I can't live here, I just can't forget you, Subhadra.
You got a great talent. I wish because of that, many doors will open for you. But this Subhadra will not open the door for you.
You know the guy Krishna? His daughter went to study for the auto station. She ran away with the guy who's the other caste. Now, that girl is working in one shop to earn money. Don't compare that girl with this, okay? Don't talk rubbish, okay?
Hey, just listen to me. Exactly on the polling day, your father is also not allowed to poll second time.
Now don't talk about my father, okay?
I will talk like that only.
Why unnecessarily both of you fighting? We brought up Maitri, okay? Don't forget it.
Yeah, you are right.
She's basically much adamant in nature and we all know about it. So besides all these issues, why we have to send her with Hari at this point of time?
You know what all are talking about? That we are planning to grab all the Arundhati's assets and that's why we planned this marriage.
That's the true, right?
Dad, I'm going to cinema theater. Movie? Just go back. You given me the money to see movie. Today we're not going to any movie. I will go, Dad. My dear, just don't come late, huh? Oh, sing.
Hello? Yeah, Mummy.
Bro, what's the price?
Hi.
Baby.
Don't forget to buy bangles, huh?
The sound from the festival making me so excited, but I can't sleep, Before and all, the girls used to stay here together and they will go together for the festival. Who are all can't go to the festival, I'll be there with them. Have your milk, okay? I'm having a small work in the kitchen. I'll be back soon, okay?
Okay, I'll sleep alone. You'll go and sleep well. I don't have any fear.
Then I will sleep over there, okay? Close the door and sleep, okay?
Okay.
Who's that?
Chandra sister.
Dear, I want to see you immediately.
What?
You have to come out now.
Now? Okay, we'll come.
Everybody has gone to temple. Yeah, okay. I'll call you back.
They all will come now. I have to go fast.
Anjali.
Tell me what?
Mom called me. Dad admitted in the hospital. I'm leaving in the morning flight.
Are you going?
I have to go. Without seeing you, I don't want to go.
Again, when we can meet?
After my father discharged, I will immediately come here. After going back, will you forget me?
Vishal.
Nothing happened. Don't worry.
panic.
Oh
Don't
my
panic.
god,
Why
dear,
did you
what
come here?
happened? Move! Come, dear, what happened?
Stop that!
You bloody. Sir,
What has
she
happened to
locked
my
the room.
daughter?
She's not opening.
Where
I
is
don't
she?
know.
What has happened? I don't understand. Anjali! Please open the door.
Anjali, open the door.
Anjali!
Please open the door.
Please listen to me, Anjali.
Open the
Tell me
door.
what has happened.
I gave milk to her and left. After that, I don't know what happened. Suddenly, I heard some sound backside and I saw her with Hari. Actually,
Hari?
Yes, Hari. I saw him. Sure, he is Hari.
Tell her to open the door. Bang nicely. Anjali.
Sir, I searched thoroughly, but no one is there.
I brought you up like my own son. And even after that, you played with the sentiments of my daughter, you scoundrel!
Sir, I didn't get you. What are you telling?
As if you don't know anything.
Sir, definitely I
Why
didn't
are
get you.
acting with me, huh? I'm not going to let you live alive. I'm going to kill you.
Sir,
what do you think of yourself?
I don't know.
What? What happened? Just kill him. He has played with the sentiments of my daughter.
No, brother.
How dare you can touch a girl in this home at this time?
I didn't do anything.
How dare you will do this?
Leave me.
Tell me, how dare you can?
No, I didn't do that thing. Leave me.
Open the door.
Please leave me.
Daddy, what happened? I don't know what happened. You please go. You just go up and see if there is any way. Go fast. Go.
Open the door.
Don't cry.
Grandpa, Hari. Grandpa, don't beat him. Please, Grandpa. Just stop. I know about my Hari. Hari, tell me the truth. What happened? Tell to Grandpa, please. Tell him what happened. Who is responsible for this? Please tell him.
It's not me, sir. I know nothing about it.
Liar! He's totally lying. I saw everything on my eyes. He is only with our Amukuti.
No, sir.
Get lost. Get out.
Ari, Grandpa, listen my words,
You
please.
get in.
Please, Grandpa. Please. Just leave me. Definitely my Hari won't do like this. I won't believe this. Whatever happened to Anjali, Hari is not responsible for that. Voluntarily someone did like this, I'm sure about that.
I don't know what really happened, but somewhere I smells fishy. You don't get down. You should not get down. You must have a patience to wait for him.
Excuse me, sir.
Pavitran. Heard that you had come. I'm happy about meeting you. Have you decided where to go?
Wherever I go leaving this village, I will never forget this village. I would like to take some ashes from my mother's grave as remembrance, and I shall never come back after that.
The people who we want doesn't belong to us. The people who find us belong to us. What next? She lives in that house. The Subhadra you loved.
Let grow the black flower in a red sand. All will be okay soon. In 108 Tandavas, I like this one most. A woman cannot take the all responsibilities of men's flaw. That's not our duty. The Lord Shiva is really true. Why are you giving all the difficulties to my relations? Silence. Women should get all the freedoms.
Subhadra?
You came again? Rigrama, you came back again. Just go from here.
Subhadra! Subhadra? What happened to you? Tell me, Subhadra.
I failed in all my life. At last, you came to see me.
Now there is no sense in living anymore. I wanted to meet you a long time back. You're there into my heart, the old Subhadra of mine. I'm going.
Please don't go.
Maithili? Maithili? You're beautiful.
Much beautiful than Subhadra. Much softer than a flower. Subhadra is within you. The whole house is belong to you. A girl who doesn't get all her wishes in a night is Subhadra. But I need this Maitri tonight totally.
Stop. Don't think me like other girls. First you understand that. Still I'm waiting for my Hari to come. Just get out from here.
Last year during the temple festival I saw your Arangetram. From that moment I am keenly following you. I just can't forget it. It's been for a long time. Just for you. I really like you a lot. Unwantedly, that old man only wants you to marry that guy. I just can't tolerate it, you know. If it is a playground or a war field, if you're just not worried about the blood, then only you can win. How come he's gonna win the game? It's because of my plan. He's in a big trouble. He will not be back here after. He will not come here differently. He will not come in search of you. Hey.
Hari?
Hey. Sir, please save me! Sir!
Raghuram! Hari! What's the problem? Stop it!
Oh God.
I'm going to call you. You're going to get it.
Hey!
Sir, he is trying to...
You scoundrel! What do you think of yourself?
Hey!
Why are you beating before my house? What wrong has he done? Tell me!
You don't know, but you have to know about him, sir.
Sir, he has become a man now. Since last 1 month, he has disturbed a lot of girls here and tried to kill them also, you know. First of all, please tell him to get out from here.
Dare you! You come here. Take her in.
Don't go. Come here.
What do you think about our family?
Stay here. Don't cry. Be quiet. No, dear. No, stay here.
Dad, you can do this.
Listen, dear. Listen. Stay here. No, don't go. Please don't go. Stay here.
Sir,
Come on, dear. Don't go. Listen inside. Listen to me, please. Please can't leave him. Don't beat him, please.
Just don't touch him. I know everything about you. I know that you're not faithful to this house. You tried to trap my son and you're not successful. You're angry about it. Very angry. By deceiving the boss. When I told my son to get away from here, then I decided that one day or the other I'll come to this place and tell you all the truths and facts. I request you to please listen to me, sir.
Take your son away from here. You're my daddy's old friend. That is the reason why I have let him alive, or else I would have killed him long back.
I have to talk, sir. Your daughter is still alive because she is living with my memories, lovable memories.
No. Leave it, my son. Take out all that thinking from your mind, and then we are gonna leave from here. Boss, please don't curse my children. I have only faith, trust, and devotion towards you in my mind.
Krishna, I take it as a gift to my affection which I had shown towards him.
Make your son understand everything
Listen, my dear,
clearly.
just leave
Let him
her
not
go.
disturb my daughter
Yeah,
anymore.
listen.
Take her away.
Listen to me. Come here. Come with me. Come.
Sir,
Just leave me.
I'll leave, sir. But before I leave, I have to know the truth, sir.
Sir, please don't trust him. He's trying to cheat everyone.
Before I leave, I have to reveal the culprit. Tell them what happened that night.
Listen him, please listen him. He's trying to narrate news stories nowadays, you know. He's trying to make Maitri as his girl. That's the reason he's planning like this.
Stop it, you bloody. You have to reveal the truth. Vishal, tell them what happened that night.
Boss, before going to England, I only called Anjali to meet me.
Idiot. If I see you here after disturbing her, I'll definitely kill you for sure. Why, dear, you wanna come to this place at this time? I'm gonna kill you now. Just get out from here. Go. Get out. Go. Get lost. Hey, get the hell out of here. Our place is here only. Come. I'll take you there. You just go. Come on. Just forgot her, okay? I shouldn't see you hereafter in this place, alright? I will kill you if I see you here, okay? Do you wanna see your dad who is suffering a lot? Or you wanna die here itself? Tell me. Just get the hell out of here immediately. Got it? Get out from here.
Anjali! What happened? Tell me what happened. Who did this? Don't panic. Who did this, Anjali? Tell me.
Don't make any dramas. Come outside.
Oh my god.
Tell them. I know you were the part of the crime. Tell them what happened.
How Anjali died? Tell the truth.
Say the truth, I say.
You bloody.
Don't cry. I'm here now. Don't cry. What? What happened?
If you say that I have done all these things to anyone, then I'll definitely kill you. If you say that I have done this to anyone, then I will kill both of you for sure. I don't have any relatives or family, do you know that? Did you understood my words? If you listen my words, then it'll be good.
All these things happen only because of Raghuram. And only I to help him.
Bala, kill that bloody rascal.
Kill him here. No.
Get rid of her.
Get lost from here. I don't want to see you here.
Hey, get the hell out of here. Yes, just get out of here.
Hey!
My children have not done anything wrong. I just wanted to prove it to you. And today I have done it.
Please don't beat me.
I'm going.
Krishna,
Sir, no. Please
till the day I die, you should only be with me.
No, please.
Sir.
My child. Hari, she rightly belongs to you only.
When I am decided to die, I can just think for a second. Life is how precious and how super. I'll be seeing everyone from here to all your beautiful life. Once you succeeded in your life, definitely you will come and meet me. I'll be waiting for that moment.